Looking to level up your home security with ultra-clear video? In this video, we're revealing the top features and best Eufy 4K security camera systems on Amazon, perfect for protecting your property with crisp detail and smart alerts. From 4K Ultra HD clarity to intelligent motion detection, two-way audio, and local storage with no monthly fees, these systems deliver next-level peace of mind. Stick around to see which model fits your home security needs. And if you want more home safety and smart tech guides, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a helpful review. At number 1 we have Eufy 4K Compact Security Cameras. 360 degrees vision, every corner in sight. Enjoy comprehensive coverage with a wide viewing angle, minimizing blind spots and allowing you to monitor your front porch, yard, or even your driveway. Experience crystal clear 2K clarity day and night, capturing every detail that matters. With an f/1.6 aperture and 2K clarity, our product always ensures superior image quality. With a removable solar panel, 2 hours of daily sun keeps the camera charged. Solar Plus technology gives you always-on security and constant peace of mind. Keep your footage private with a micro SD card up to 128 GB, with no subscription fees. Built-in AI instantly detects and automatically tracks people, vehicles, or important events within view, minimizing false alarms and keeping your property secure. Unlock advanced AI capabilities in TB-scale local storage with Homebase S380. Choose Homebase S280 for enhanced group control systems and secure in-house storage. At number 2 we have Eufy Security Video Doorbell Camera. Enhanced security with dual cameras. Eufy Doorbell features dual cameras that work in tandem to provide advanced viewing capabilities. The front-facing camera focuses on people, while the downward-facing camera captures a view of the floor in front of your door. This combination ensures comprehensive coverage and enhances security. Color night vision for a clear view. Introducing the industry's first dual light system, paired with an advanced light capturing and processing algorithm. With less blur compared to previous iterations of night vision, you'll enjoy a clear nighttime viewing distance of up to 16 feet, 5 meters. Whether it's day or night, you'll have a crisp view of your doorstep. 2K 4 HD clarity. Experience the difference with 2K clarity. The Eufy Doorbell reveals more details, allowing you to see clearly and identify anyone who visits your home. Whether it's a delivery person, neighbor, or friend, you won't miss a thing. At number 3 we have Eufy Security SoloCam S340 Cam Kit. Capture every moment around your home in stunning 3K clarity with enhanced dual cameras that deliver sharp, detailed visuals up to 40 feet, 12 meters, away, complete with powerful 8x zoom to focus on what matters most. Enjoy true peace of mind with a solar-powered design that installs once and keeps running, supported by a removable solar panel for continuous, reliable operation. Eliminate blind spots by mounting vertically and benefit from full 360 degrees pan and tilt coverage to monitor your front porch, backyard, and driveway with ease. The compact, wire-free design allows for a quick and hassle-free setup in as little as 7 minutes. Flexible installation options make it suitable for a wide range of home layouts and surveillance needs. Local storage ensures your recordings stay private and accessible without any monthly fees or hidden costs. This is a one-time purchase with no ongoing subscriptions required. Built for convenience and long-term reliability, it delivers dependable performance day and night. At number 4 we have Eufy 4K NVR Security Camera System. The upper 4K wide-angle camera provides a 122 degrees fixed view of the entire scene, while the lower 2K PTZ camera features 8x auto zoom and 360 degrees pan for complete coverage. Note, to ensure you can use our NVR security system smoothly, all cameras work in sync to track movement in real time. When one camera reaches its limit, another takes over instantly, ensuring continuous, uninterrupted coverage, all under your control. 8-port NVR that can be expanded to 16 channels via duct-to-post switch, not included. Supports up to 8 bullet PTZ cams, uses 2 channels each, or up to 16 bullet/turret cams. Unlock proactive, real-time security with our local AI agent, fueled by 6T/8-core power for instant analysis, genuine threat identification, and decisive action. Customize no-go zones and alerts, enabling AI to accurately detect real danger and ensure tailored responses. When the bullet camera detects a subject, the PTZ locks on and auto-tracks them in sharp, centered close-ups from up to 164 feet away. At number 5 we have Eufy FamiLock S3 Max Smart Lock. Palm vein unlocking, advanced security with 99.9% accuracy. Achieve recognition in just 0.6 seconds with cutting-edge, forgery-proof palm vein recognition. This next-gen security feature relies on the unique vein patterns in your palm, ensuring top-tier protection. Plus, your palm vein data is stored securely on the device, keeping your privacy intact. This all-in-one device, a 2K HD camera with an f/1.6 lens for sharp, clear visibility, even at night. A video doorbell with a 150 degrees head-to-toe wide-angle view that eliminates blind spots, perfect for monitoring packages or checking on visitors. A smart lock with real-time visitor alerts. Whether it's ensuring your family's safety or giving peace of mind when older people or children are home alone, the FamiLock S3 Max keeps you connected and reassured. The rear lock video screen. The rear lock video screen allows you to effortlessly check the front door status anytime, without needing a smartphone app. App-free solution for monitoring the front entrance. At number 6 we have Eufy Security eufyCam S3 Pro 4Cam Kit. Nighttime that's as bright as day. Harness the power of a 4K camera combined with max color vision technology. eufyCam S3 Pro captures exceptionally detailed surveillance footage in every frame, offering day-like image clarity even in ultra-low light conditions without the need for a spotlight. Reliable solar power system. Experience peace of mind year-round with continuous, reliable security powered by Solar Plus 2.0 technology. Choose the built-in panel for streamlined efficiency or add an external panel to expand energy coverage. This system offers versatile mounting options and reliable backup power for continuous security. Local security, no monthly fee, 16 GB of on-device storage and up to 16 TB of expandable storage without monthly fees. Home-based S380 equips your devices with self-learning AI for intelligent management and facilitates effortless control over group settings, keeps your privacy securely in your hands. Compatible with HomeKit, Alexa, and other voice assistant. At number 7 we have Eufy Security Heated Breast Pump. The Eufy Security Heated Breast Pump Hands-Free E20 delivers a comfortable, efficient pumping experience with innovative heat flow technology and 3 adjustable heat levels designed to help stimulate milk flow naturally. This wearable, NVR pump features hospital-grade suction for powerful yet gentle performance while remaining ultra-slim, lightweight, and discreet for everyday use. Optimized rhythm control through the companion app allows you to personalize suction patterns and intensity for your body's needs. The hands-free, leak-proof design lets you move freely and pump confidently without interruptions. Engineered for quiet operation, it ensures privacy whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. Its ergonomic shape fits securely inside your bra for all-day comfort. Smart app connectivity enables easy control, tracking, and customization from your phone. Designed for modern moms, it combines advanced technology with convenience and reliability. At number 8 we have Eufy NVR Security Camera S4. Secure your property with 2 4K turret cameras for fixed zones, 2 bullet PTZs for a 4K wide-angle overview, plus a 2K PTZ with 360 degrees pan and 8 times zoom for active tracking. AI ISP ensures vivid color night vision with spotlights needed. Note, to ensure you can use our NVR security system smoothly, the bullet PTZ cameras work in sync to track movement in real time. When one camera reaches its limit, another takes over instantly, ensuring continuous, uninterrupted coverage, all under your control. 8-port NVR that can be expanded to 16 channels via the pulse switch no included. Supports up to 8 bullet PTZ cams, uses 2 channels each, or up to 16 bullet/turret cams. Includes a pre-installed 2 TB HDD, upgradable to 16 TB, for 24/7 recording. Unlock proactive, real-time security with our local AI agent, fueled by 6T/8 core power for instant analysis, genuine threat identification, and decisive action. Customized no-go zones and alerts, enabling AI to accurately detect real danger and ensure tailored responses. At number 9 we have Eufy Security Floodlight Wired Camera. 360 degrees dual camera coverage delivers a complete panoramic view with intelligent AI tracking that identifies and follows detected people using auto patrol, manual control, and out-of-view detection for full area awareness. The advanced dual camera system combines a 3K wide-angle camera for full scene monitoring with a 2K telephoto camera that captures sharp details from up to 50 feet, 15 meters, away. Enjoy up to 8 times hybrid zoom and ultra-clear visuals, with resolution automatically optimized to 2K during AI tracking or dual-view operation for stable performance. 24/7 continuous recording keeps your property protected at all times when using a microSD card up to 128 GB or connecting to Eufy home-based S380 for reliable local storage. Dual-band Wi-Fi 6 support ensures fast speeds and stable connectivity across both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks for smooth live viewing and instant alerts. A powerful 2000 lumen peak brightness light enhances visibility and can be customized for motion activation or ambient lighting. At number 10 we have Eufy Security SoloCam E42 4Cam Kit. AI motion detection and smart tracking. Built-in AI instantly detects and automatically tracks people, vehicles, or important events within view, minimizing false alarms and keeping your property secure. Enjoy comprehensive coverage with a wide viewing angle, minimizing blind spots and allowing you to monitor your front porch, yard, or even your driveway. Protect your home with a powerful, motion-activated strobe light that scares off unwanted visitors and gives you instant notifications about suspicious activity. Just 2 hours of direct sunlight daily keeps your camera fully charged for continuous, maintenance-free operation in any weather. No monthly fee, supports up to 128 GB of microSD storage to keep your footage private, no subscription fees. Homebase 3 comes with 16 GB built-in storage, expandable up to 16 TB, and supports continuous recording even during network outages. We recommend using the included Homebase 3 for best performance.